Hello there. Today's book is Humpty Dumpty's Great Fall. Let's get started. Humpty Dumpty was a big bad egg. He called himself the king of Eggtown. But Humpty wanted to be the king of the world outside Eggtown, too. Outside Eggtown there was a very high hill. At the top was a tall crumbling castle wall with a ladder against it. Next to the wall was a deep well. Each morning children came to fetch water from the well. They raced to see who could get to the top of the hill first. The winner climbed up the ladder and stood on the wall chanting, "I'm the king of the castle and you're the dirty rascal." Humpty Dumpty watched and he listened. "I'm going to be the king of the castle," he said to himself. Early one morning Humpty Dumpty waddled his way up the hill. He climbed up the ladder and sat on the wall. Two little dicky birds flew down. "Hello," they tweeted. "We're Pete and Paul." "Who are you?" "I'm the king of the castle," said Humpty, and he waved his arms. "You're the dirty rascals," he cried, and he frightened the birds away. "Ha ha ha," laughed bad old Humpty Dumpty. A pussy cat jumped onto the wall. "Meow," said the cat. "Who are you?" "I'm the king of the castle," said Humpty, "and you're the dirty rascal." Humpty Dumpty picked up the pussy cat and threw it into the well. "Ha ha ha," laughed bad old Humpty Dumpty. At that moment, the children arrived racing up the hill. Jack was first, clutching his empty pail, followed closely by Jill. Jack started to climb the ladder. "I'm the king of the castle," cried Humpty, "and you're the dirty rascal." He kicked the ladder and down it fell, and down Jack fell with it. Bang! Jack bumped heads with Jill and they both went tumbling down the hill. "Ha ha ha," laughed bad old Humpty Dumpty. The king sent the grand old Duke of York with his 10,000 men to knock Humpty Dumpty off the wall. They marched up to the top of the hill. "I'm the king of the castle," cried Humpty, "and you're the dirty rascals." He threw stones at the king's men. "Retreat!" ordered the Duke of York, and they all marched back down the hill again. "Ha ha ha," laughed bad old Humpty Dumpty. All that day, Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall enjoying being bad. That night, a nearsighted, high-jumping cow and a little dog were walking up the hill with a dish and a spoon. The cow and the dog were arguing. "I can see better than you," said the dog. "I can jump higher than you," said the cow. "Prove it," said the dog. "Jump over that," he pointed to Humpty Dumpty. The cow looked at the big round thing. "I can jump over that more easily," she said. The cow ran up to the wall and jumped over Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty was so surprised that he toppled backward and fell off the wall. Crash! He hit the ground and smashed into pieces. "Ha ha ha," laughed the little dog while the dish ran away with the spoon. All the king's horses and all the king's men galloped back up, but they couldn't put Humpty together again. Of course, they didn't try very hard. "He was laughing at us," they said, "but now the yoke's on him." Ha ha ha. The king's men caught the runaway dish and spoon. They used the spoon to scoop Humpty Dumpty into the dish. Then they took the scrambled egg back to the palace for the king's breakfast. And that was the end of bad old Humpty Dumpty. And that's the end of the story. If you haven't done already, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.